Looking to generate stunning images with the power of AI? In this guide, we'll show you how to use Flux AI, one of the best image generation tools available today. Whether you need visuals for marketing, social media, or design, Flux AI makes it easy to create high-quality, custom images quickly. Step 1. Access Flux AI. To start, head over to the Flux AI website or app. If you don't have an account, signing up is simple and takes just a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll find a clean, intuitive interface, perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Step 2. Enter a text prompt. Flux AI operates using a text-to-image system, so your first step is to enter a detailed text prompt. This is where you describe the image you want. Be as specific as possible. For example, if you're looking for a beach sunset with palm trees, enter something like, a tropical beach sunset with vibrant orange skies and tall palm trees swaying in the wind. Step 3. Choose your style. Next, choose an art style or visual theme. Flux AI offers a variety of presets, such as realistic, cartoonish, futuristic, and abstract. Selecting the right style helps align the generated image with your vision. You can also fine-tune settings like color schemes, lighting, or even the level of detail, giving you full control over the final output. Step 4. Generate the image. Once you've entered your prompt and selected your style, it's time to hit generate. Flux AI's powerful algorithms analyze your input and create the image in a matter of seconds. If you're not satisfied with the result, don't worry. You can easily tweak your prompt or style and try again until you get the perfect image. Step 5. Download and share. After generating your image, you can download it in various formats, including JPEG, PNG, and more. Flux AI also offers high-resolution outputs, perfect for print or professional use. And with one-click sharing, you can instantly share your image to social media or save it to your cloud storage. Conclusion. Flux AI is one of the best AI-powered image generation tools out there. With its user-friendly interface and customizable options, you can create stunning visuals in no time. So, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to generate high-quality images, give Flux AI a try today.